In today's lesson, we are going to solve some exciting problems involving time, speed, and distance. Let's recall few terms. Time. What is time? Time is how long something takes to happen. This can also be called the duration of an event or journey. What is speed? That is how fast or slow something travels. And what is meant by distance? Distance is how far something travels. How are time, speed, and distance linked? If we know two of these factors, we can easily work out for the third one, right? Okay, here we have an example. The question says a 120-meter long train travels at 60 kilometer per hour, crosses a bridge in 18 seconds. Find the length of the bridge. Let's break it down step by step. Step number one, understanding the given information. First, let's look at what we know. Number one, a 120-meter long train. So we know the length of the train. What is the train's length? It is 120-meter long. Any problem? Okay. Number two, it's traveling at a speed of 60 kilometer per hour. It means speed is 60 kilometer per hour. All right. Next, it takes 18 seconds to completely cross the bridge. It means it's time. So time is 18 seconds. What will be our next step? Before knowing the next step, or before moving towards the next step, we should understand actually what we need to find. Find the length of the bridge. Here is the bridge. Okay. It is the length of train, right? It is the train's length. And it is the length of remaining part of the bridge. So total distance will be what? This is unknown. We are not we don't know about this information. We have to calculate it. So basically what we need to find the total length of the bridge. That is X, this part which we don't know, plus the length of the train. Clear? So it means you can say distance is X plus 120 meter. Clear? Okay. Step 2. We have to convert the unit of speed. Can you observe? Unit of speed is in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. But our data is in meter and in seconds. Means kilometer we will convert into meters. In hours we will convert into seconds. So to do the conversion, we know the units first of all. So 1 kilometer has how many meters? 1000 meters. You know, kilometer is a bigger unit, and once we need to convert into a smaller unit, we always multiply by per unit, okay? But once we need to convert meter into kilometer, means a smaller unit into a larger unit, so we always divide it by 1000. Clear? So here you can just observe, I'm going to do this conversion here. Speed equals to 60 kilometer per hour. Per hour means over 1 hour. Clear? So now I have to convert this kilometer into meter. So I have to multiply by 1000. I will multiply by 1000. Okay. What about the denominator? Hours and second has a jump of minutes. Means 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay. And 1 minute has further 60 seconds. So I cannot only multiply by 60. I have to multiply by 62 times. One to convert into minutes and second to convert again into minute to seconds. Clear? Okay. Now we will just do the simplification. I will suggest you people to do the cancellation here instead of multiplying the all values of numerator and denominator. I'm going to do the cancellation. Now 6 ones are, 6 tens are, 2 threes are, and 2 fives are. Now, what is left in the numerator? 10 into 5. So I will write as it is 10 into 5 over. What is left in denominator? 1 into 3. So I will write here 1 into 3. What is the answer? 50 over 3. And unit, as we have converted the unit, 50 meter per seconds. All right. Next step. So at the next step, we have to find the total distance covered by the train, and actually we need to calculate the length of bridge also. Okay. So we need to think here. We need to calculate the total distance. So we need to know the formula. Please think and tell me the formula. Yes, as you know, we have to find this. This is our finding. So I have to write here distance equals to speed over time, speed into time. What will come? G, speed into time. Exactly. Speed into time. So what was the speed here? We have calculated the speed here. I will not take this speed because we need to convert it. And here we have converted. So I'm taking 50 over 3 as it is. No need to convert into a decimal. It's fine. Okay. And what time? What time? Just observe here in the data we have collected. Time is 18 second. 18 second. And what is the distance here? Distance is not only 120, it is also x also. Again, actually we need to find the distance. The distance means the length of the bridge. What is the length of the bridge? 120 meter is covered by the train, and what length we have to find actually this length, that is the remaining part of the bridge. So that is unknown plus 120. I will just substitute it. What will I do? I will just substitute it. Okay. Instead of distance, I'm writing x plus 120 to find the total length of the bridge. ठीक हो गया? Okay. Now I will do the cancellation. 3 times 1 and 3 times 6. What is left? X plus 120 equals to 50 into 60. Now I will do the rest working here. X plus 120 equals to, now I will multiply both of them, 5, 6 are 30 and 0 will come together, 300. Now I will just solve it like a algebra. I will move this 120 to another side of the equation. So it will be 300 minus 120 and now my answer will be 180. 180 what? Because it is a distance, so I have to write 180 meters. Okay. Actually, the total distance was the distance covered by the train and the distance left on the bridge. But the question was, we have to find the length of the bridge. This length is covered by the train. We have to find this portion. To find this portion, I have to find the total distance here. Basically, that was the total distance, right? But here we came to know X is basically the length of the bridge. So that is 180 meter long, right? So you can say that the length of the bridge is 180 meter. That is our answer. By breaking down the problems into small steps, we have found that the length of the bridge is 180 meter. And remember, converting units and using formulas for speed, distance, and time can help you to solve the problems. I'm giving you more questions to solve it. So this is how you have to solve these 3 questions on the same pattern which we have solved in this example.